How to hide chats without deleting messages on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. There is no direct way to hide chats in Instagram without deleting. So here are some tricks to hide your Instagram chats. At the top right corner, tap on the message icon to access your direct messages. Now, click on the chat that you want to hide. At the top of the screen, click on their profile name. In the menu, click on the three dots. In the pop-up menu, click on the Restrict. Again, click on the Restrict to confirm it, so that the profile will be removed from the chat section. The alternative way is to make sure you have a professional account. To check if you have a professional account or not, go back to the home page. At the bottom right corner, click on the Profile menu. Now, under your profile name, you can see the professional dashboard that means you have a professional account. Now go back to the home page, and at the top right, click on the message icon. Swipe right to the chat of the person who you want to hide. There you can see three options: More, General, and Unread. Now click on the General so that your chat will be moved to the General section and you cannot get notifications from that specific chat. And that's it.